Hello everyone, my name is Megha and I'm here to present the video assignment on social connect and responsibility. So this assignment basically consists of 5 modules and we'll go into each module one by one. So the first one is plantation and adaptation of a tree. This was the activity wherein we had to plant a tree on our own and take care of it for a particular span of time, and the plant I chose was aloe vera plant. Now, its origin and botanical background, we know that aloe vera belongs to aloe genus and is believed to have originated in the Arabian Peninsula. Now, its characteristics, we all know how aloe vera plant is. It is like fleshy, lance-shaped leaves and contains gel-like substances. The plant typically reaches a height of 24 to 39 inches. So it is very common. We have seen aloe vera plant. So this is the origin and botanical background. Now we move on to the benefits. Aloe vera plant has number of benefits. Now the first one, it is like skin care, then wound healing, hair care, digestive aid, immune support, anti-inflammatory, oral health. Now this it has n number of benefits, and these benefits tell us that it is not only important in the medical field but also in the skin care, hair care, and cosmetics kind of stuff. Next, we move to the next module, that is Heritage Walk and Crafts Corner. For this activity, we had as a group we had been to the Belgaum Fort. Now, this fort is also known as Shahpur Fort and has a history dating back to the 13th century. Originally, it was built by Ratta dynasty and it underwent several rulers like Bahmani Sultanate, then Bijapur, then Marathas, and the British. Now, the fort stands as a witness to the changing tides of history in the Deccan region. In this fort area itself, there were many key points to be noticed or to be visited. First one was the Kamal Basti, then Raya Kottapa's tower, and then military structures. Now, Belgaum Fort stands not only as an architectural gem but also as a symbol of cultural amalgamation. The various religious structures within the fort, including temples, mosques, and churches, underscore the cultural diversity that flourished in the region. Now, next module is of organic farming and waste management. Organic farming, for this, we had been to a farm which is located in Belgaum itself, and this was also a group activity. So, organic farming in today's life is important because it is really very important to interact with the farmers and acquire knowledge about how organic farming is done, how it is beneficial to us, and how the waste produced there is managed. So here we can see organic farming promotes the use of crop rotations and cover crops and encourages balanced host or predator relationship. Organic farming in India is an agricultural process, uses pest control derived from organic manure and animal or plant waste. Next, these are also the benefits and what you can say, more information about organic farming. And this farming started to respond to the environmental suffering caused by chemical pesticides and synthetic fertilizers, and that's how it came into significance, and everybody started initiating with the organic farming. So, benefits of organic farming, firstly, environmental sustainability, then there is healthier produce, improved soil quality, and then we see support for biodiversity, then reduced environmental impact, healthier farm workers. Now, this healthier farm workers is really important because farmers, by using those chemical pesticides and all, they were exposed to such harmful chemicals. Now, this in organic farming, it helps them keep their health in good condition. They are not exposed to any chemical stuff and all. And then there is reduced environmental impact. Now, organic farming reduces the release of harmful chemicals and thus those contaminating waterways and all are like reduced. Next is the waste management. Waste management or waste disposal includes the processes and actions required to manage waste from its interception to its final disposal. Now, depending on the waste type, like whether it is a solid, liquid, or gas, each type has different methods of disposal and management. We move on to the next module, that is water conservation. Water is the essence of life. We all know how, in various ways, water is so important to us. So, it is the essence of life, sustains ecosystem, supports agriculture, drives industry, and ensures human health and well-being. However, with global population growth, rapid urbanization, and the impacts of climate change, our water resources face unprecedented challenges. Now, most of it we know, like there is water scarcity, there's pollution, there's degradation, threatens this all threatens ecosystem and livelihood. So, water conservation is an important concept here. So, there are many ways of conservation of water. So, you can see water saving steam sterilizers for use in hospitals and health care facilities. Then there is rainwater harvesting. We all have studied and we all know about it. Then there is water to water heat exchangers, waterless urinals. Uh, it is like it will be installed soon in almost every school nowadays. Then waterless car washes, infrared or foot operated taps. Then there is a cooling tower, etc. There are a number of ways where we can conserve water. Now the last module was a food walk. For this activity, we had to prepare any healthy item and mention its benefits, how beneficial it is, and how healthy it is for us. So the item that I had choose was the chana chaat, or we can say that salad, chana salad. Then preparation in a mixing bowl, we combine chickpeas, finely chopped onions, tomato, then cucumber, optionally green chili for a bit of heat. And it's very important to have such diet in our like to include such items in our diet because for example now the everyone who diets or who is on diet who is following a strict fitness food routine, they can add this because this contains highly rich carbohydrates and proteins. We can see the health benefits here. It is like firstly as I said, high in protein, then rich in fiber, loaded with vitamins and minerals, low in calories, then heart healthy, hydration and detoxification. These are just a piece of benefits. There are many more benefits of it, and it is really very important to explore such different healthy items and include it in our diet. So these were the 5 modules of um, the SCR activity.